Gandang umaga sa inyo, legend. Papunta na kami sa flea market. Alam nyo na ang routine. So, time check tayo. Alas 6 ng umaga, pero maliwanag na rito. Pero ganun pa man, hindi pa ako natutulog. Naglinis ako kagabi. Tinulugan ako ni Rocky. Diba? Di pa. Diba? Bago daw yung flea market, no? Inaayos na daw eh. Yup, maayos na. Pinaganda na nila.
Sobra. Hindi na espalto.
Hindi na espalto, pi.
Espalto yung mga nagdaanan.
O tara mga kapatid, samahan nyo kami. Magandang buhay sa inyo. Sana makakuha kami ngayon. Tara. Lamig. Lamamig ah. Diba? Baka akala nyo sa Pilipinas, tsinelas ilalagay dito mga kapatid, cart. Diba? Pila yan mga kapatid. Pinalumamig. Yes, na-miss ko to mga kapatid.
Thank you.
Let's go, yeah. Good morning mga kapatid. Babalik tayo sa flea market. Drifting tayo ulit kasama nyo yung lingkod mga kapatid. Paolo Cordova ng Elito Manila Bay. Manila Bay Academy. Magandang buhay sa inyo lahat dyan. Ganda ng araw. Sana makauwi ulit sa Pilipinas. So nauna na sila doon. Nauna na sila. Nauna nila tayo. Naiihi kasi ako eh. Kaya pumunta man ako sa banyo. Pero ganun pa man. At least nauna na yung mga tropa. Sana makakuha na sila. Inayos na yung flea market mga kapatid oh. Naka-asfalto na mga kap. Hindi na siya lubak-lubak. Sinihan kasi sa gabi to eh. Sinihan yan eh. Ano? Pero sa loob ko ng kotse manonood. Diba? Ayos na yung daan. Sarap na mag-scooter dito. Sana makakuha tayo ngayon mga kapatid. Ayan sila. Sana makakuha tayo. Dali na si P. What's up, bro? What's up, man? What's up, bro?
Natabat mo.
Wala si P naman yan, P. Danko. Bob Marley. Lakers. Damn. Not o'clock. Oh, si Van Excel. Tsaka malaki mag-free throw, P.
Look, Trill. Can I use that?
Ganda to. Ganda. Angas din itong Adidas na to. Ba? Forma. Takash. Pangis din ito. Anong size? Angas ito mga kapatid. Russell Athletic. Kailangan natin yan. Russell Athletic ulit. Kunin natin yan. Pero hindi siya US eh. Kunin ko yung mga blank. Baka magamit. Cost sa Sesame Street. Detroit versus everybody.
I just use this to pop them up. Yeah. I got that. Oh, yo, those are sick. Yeah, those are sick. Those are sick.
That one's too light.
Legit to?
I don't know. Could be.
Magkano, no?
I don't know what he wanted on his shoes. I have you at $100 right here.
$100 for that?
Yeah. And then I don't know what he wants on the shoes. Joe, I know you're
$100.
concentrating, but what do you want on these shoes right now? So that'd be 120. Give me 100 for everything.
100 for everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Rock.
They're good though. They're really good though.
Ah?
Really good. Trust me.
Yeah, you can tell.
Sakay.
Yeah. Yep.
Di, pre.
Zelle or Venmo.
What we do?
Zelle or Venmo for Aaron.
Collaboration yata to. Collaboration to, men. Oh, $10. Ito pa isa, pre. Size 10 eh. Size ko eh. Yung mga brand nyo, mga palit nag-golf. Sa mga mahilig mag-golf dyan, di ba? Ganda pa ng size. Ah, stig.
Malupit bata.
Magkano?
Isang malupit bata.
300? 300.
Kasi na, 150 na.
Mapin ka na. Mabilisan, galiwan. Ganda nito mga blanco. Hindi na pinapansin. Kailangan ka ng mga blanks. Talo natin yung magkano ito. Excuse me. How much?
Sí, dijo $10, ¿verdad? Ahorita te lo llevo.
Laki. Laki masyado.
¿Esta? Mira, ven para que le hagan la cuenta tuyo a él. Tú para que le digas tú a él. Ella, amigo. Amigo, ¿todo?
This one too.
That too?
Yeah, just this.
Okay, how much you gonna pay?
Déjale, traigo una bolsa.
Can you do 12?
$15.
15 bucks?
Give me your
Oh,
money.
tangin na. Ano? Malagkit na? Ito yung McDonald's eh. Vintage ba? Oo. Malagkit. Ano? Babakbak na siya. Pero mo na lalaban.
Pero pwede pa rin.
Oo, pwede pa yun talaga. $8. Babakbak na eh. Na-miss ko yung basket ko dati ah. Diba? Pumalik yung basket natin. Malipit yung undercover Takahashi natin, Takahashi na nakuha natin mga kapatid. $10 lang. Siguro feeling ko yun yung pick up the day natin ngayon. Ayun, to, dito tayo.
Dito nagbababa.
Yan, di mo nagbababa. Fuck. Meron ka dyan.
Oh, it's the clothing guys. You want to Levi's? You want to Levi's?
natin yan. Ito lang. Ito natin to. Yung pants. Ito, ano? Pero 207. Wala na ba? San Francisco. Ano naman ito? Photo. So how much?
How much is a 3D Harley?
Is it 3D?
These. God damn, look how old these are. 2007. Just for fucking mining. Gold mining. Gold mining. Huh?
This is 2007.
Police.
Huh?
Police.
Oh, police? Oh, wow.
I don't
That's 50
know.
bucks.
50 bucks.
This is 50 and 20. Well, 10 bucks. We do 10 bucks.
Tenemos.
Police, huh?
You do 30?
This is the police, man. Or just the. Or it's just the
What does that mean? The police? What is that? Police brace?
police.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
What is that for fishing?
I don't know. I don't know. It's cool, huh? Look at it. It's got an opening in the back.
Huh? For fishing?
I don't know what it
What is
is.
this for?
For gold mining, man. This is an old rocker, gold miner.
I don't know what it is. I don't know.
40. 50 for both.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yung mga autompas na to, men. Solid to, bro. Ha? Tignan mo. So, nakawa ko ng Harley. 2.50 yan. Ito binigay niya ng 10 bucks.
What size to?
3D ba to? Hindi naman 3D, di ba?
May nakalagay ba?
Hindi.
Wala, pero 2007. May
Hindi na siya vintage. Sakto lang. Ito itong medyo ano dito. Sa pants na to. Ganda pa morma to, men. Ha?
jumper ba? Ayun, jumper.
Diba? At least, benta ko yan ng mga 70.
7, 8, 7.
Rings. Suot ang bag na to. This is bag. Leather bag. Ganda ng leather bag na to, men. Ah?
Lagyan ng pera.
Angas ba to? Angas ito, men, ha? Ano kaya to? How much for these?
Dodge tour bag. This is 50 bucks.
50?
Yeah, it could be a lot of money. You get $200-300. This is like doctor bag.
This is the brand.
You want to see Levi's Biggie jacket?
$50 daw.
$50 for the cake.
Pacific. Same. Ayan, P. Vintage.
Biggie.
Looked it up?
Yeah.
What did it go for?
I already got an offer for $500 on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, that's what I'm taking.
$500.
Yeah, $500. I'll show you the guy on. I already
Tingnan, P.
put it online.
Angas ang Levi's na to.
I put it online. Look at all these people interested, and one guy offered me $500.
$500.
Yeah. See, Mark Schwarber, but I feel $500 is a more than fair offer. It's so dark. It's a Big E. It's from the '60s. It's got a 52 button right here.
It's 50s?
No, 60s.
60s?
52 means it's from the '60s.
Oh, okay.
Somebody offered me $500 so
Pag
on
may
Facebook.
50
I
to
put it for
60s daw yan.
I put over 12 and some guy offered me $500. So I'm doing $500. Like, you can't lose.
You said how? What the thing is? Big two?
Huh? Biggie 1960s.
Angas itong Levi's, man. Levi's. Dang. Oh, like 60s. 1960s, bro.
Yeah. It's so dark. You've never seen this dark. New. It's like new, you know? It's in storage. The guy collects it.
There's all in the bottom.
They're all over the place.
Nice.
But you won't find one dark.
I need that one. Yep. How much for these?
One, dude. Why did one go to $50?
50?
Yeah, this is like gold for gold mining.
Piyangas mo ito, Pio.
Maganda.
50? Pangas. Pangas ito. $50. Ha? Nalagyan siya ng lock, mga kapatid, oh. Pang mina doon, panglagay daw sa ginto to, mga kapatid. Pang ginto. Ay, naputol na yung ano, sayang. Bakal. Maunat. Ha? Yeah. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Ford, oh. Ford. Nakasama na mga nakuha nila. Blue drag bottles. O kaya ito. Mabasag ito. Sana damit? Hindi, bakal din. Wala nang damit. Napabili ako ng pants. Naman to. Yan, sport. Ito, panghukay ng ano, mga kapatid, ginto. Maghukay ka ng ginto. Just dito ko. Wala na. Mukhang bibili ni Pi, ah. Kunin mo, Pi. Ang bilis sa Alameda yan, pre. 1960s mga kapatid.
This one's got the tag too. Oh, the tag on the left. Papel pa, no? It's very important. Yeah, very important. You got that.
Where's the button that you showing me?
Right here.
May pen pa.
Why is there a pen in there?
May ball pen?
Kondensya lang sa loob. Ayun.
Oh shit.
Kalang Parker pa.
Did the same guy ask?
52 means 60.
52 means 60s mga kapatid.
Did the other guy ask for the picture?
Angas. $1960s na Levi's. Nag-call a friend si P.
Tawagin na si Romano.
Nag-call a friend.
So kami niya.
O kami niya. Yeah.
No, bro, busy ba? Did you see my picture that I sent you? Sa text, may lumabas dito na what do you call it, like the wool blanket na Big E na Levi's na denim. It seemed like the dude said it's from the 60s. 52 yung ano eh, yung butones. Yeah, check mo, gusto niya kasi 500 eh.
Tigbe 20 million P.
Pag ano to mga sa Liberty.
You interested in this radio?
Ano yan? Si Elvis Catalog. Dito tayo lalayo, dito na lang tayo. Pre, wala tagan no?
Sabay.
Oo nga eh.
Sige, Mighty Ducks.
I like went to go and then she like dropped it right now.
How much?
$10.
10 bucks?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know.
How much you want for it?
I don't know. I don't know. I was here right now. Like, she just dropped it. Swoop that shit up right now.
What do you think, Johnny?
You guys do it or what?
How much?
What do you think?
Huh? She getting it for?
You think too high?
500.
I'm gonna send it to my homeboy. You guys on it?
I'm trying to verify it to see if.
What do you think?
Mataas. Yeah, sabi niya from the 60s daw eh. Yeah. Yeah, yung nga eh. Sabi niya nilagay niya daw sa market mga 12 yata, pero may nag-offer mga 5. Pero ang condition niya maganda, hindi pa parang more, pero sa ganda eh, no. Yeah. Ano to, type E to, di ba? Type 3. I thought it was like the type E.
$50. 50.
Yeah, sige pare, salamat ha.
Taas daw P.
Yeah, sa ganda daw yung parang gano'n.
Oo.
Where's Johnny at? Johnny, you want to set it out? I talked to my guy. He's saying that it's like late 60s. What did he say? He said it's the late 60s.
I told you.
Yeah, it's late 60s. Yeah.
I told you.
It's a type. He's saying that it's a type 3.
Type what?
3. What about like
Oh, Glorieta.
Oh, journey.
Fight for life. 1986.
Oh, it's the color.
may ako dyan.
You guys move your card.
Ano yan? Bago? Ha? Ano na?
Skateboard collection.
Skateboarding?
Na Levi's.
Yan natin. How much? $5? Kunin ko to. Skateboarding edition. Sa tay?
Ito na.
Ayos lang.
Ano? Ito pinakabalit na lighter ko eh. Ha?
Mapoy?
Yeah. Ito tinatawag na. Bayan. Ito tinatawag na.
Pangkapre yan ah.
Sipo! Sipo!
Angas.
Thank you.
Wala talagang tatalo sa Pinoy, men.
Ha?
Wala talagang tatalo sa Pinoy.
Kaya paano nga?
Pasindi?
Load ako.
Oh yeah. Yeah, ikaw na bahala. Tagal ko na dinala, hindi kita.
Laki, no?
Sa'yo, 25.
25. Hirap yan hindi mawawala sa bulsa. Hindi mawawala sa bulsa.
Ano yan?
40 ang benta ko.
40.
Sabi niya mo akong 20.
Di, okay lang.
Wala, ano yan, bakit yung ano, piece of conversation.
Pangkapre yan eh.
Ano, my friend?
Dito tayo, salamat.
Oh, okay.
Ganda to, $5 lang. No?
Iba no? Skateboard.
Skateboard siya eh.
Chinese din.
Yeah.
Bata pa.
Ano, Nike? Magkano daw? How much? $10?
I'll do 15. 1.5.
You do 5?
10.
Sige. Oh, for this.
Ano ko ta?
Give me.
I wanna do I'll do 12.
$12 for him. Ganda nito pang bata. Vintage. Kunin natin to. Gano? There you go, bro. I'll take this. Yeah. Lalapag lang. Angas naman itong Goofy na to. Sobrang angas naman ito. How much one for it?
Can you do $40?
40?
Yeah.
Angas, no?
I mean, you can look them up. They're going for the Marlboro thing. How about 50? Double-sided.
Ganda nito. $40.
Yeah, my tripping your eyes like blue. Oh, that's hazel, huh?
Yeah.
So let me get them eyes, bro. Let's trade.
How much?
How much? Yeah, look at all the bitches.
Angas naman yan, P. Angas yan. Angas sa Marlboro, men. Collectors. Ah? Liwani, P. Angas. Alameda.
Oh, look, it's the same thing.
Yeah. Santo Niño ba? Oo nga, no? Santo Niño. Ganda ng Marlboro na yan. Masyado maangas yan. Diba? Naku, kukunin no ano ni CJ yan. Yun yung ino-collecta ngayon. Bumili ng Marlboro. Ito, malapit truck oh. Sharks na yun oh.
How much?
Ngayon lang yan nilabas.
30.
30. Marunong si ate ah. Kala nyo ah.
Dito ako nabili yung
Oo.
You got any hats?
What about this one?
Can I look?
15.
Can I look at the sombrero?
How about 10? Make it 60.
Ano pa?
Ah?
Okay, I
Yeah.
like uneven number.
Magkano?
65.
How much is this? How much is this, ate?
How about that those jerseys over there?
You can
Can we do a bundle together? We all together? Okay, sir.
Di, taas. Ito, mga jersey.
Saan yan?
Oo. Ito.
Yung mga yan, saan yan rin?
Yeah. Hindi yata. Maliliit eh. Oo. Yung mga jersey doon, B.
Good, good, fine.
Daming damit doon, oh. Tao doon. Ha? Ano no? Oo.
20.
Yun, may bag. Tingnan natin yung bag. Engineering. Engineering siya. Yep. Ano isa. Yun, logo 7 sa pool. Haba. Ano to? Hindi siya kilala eh. Ano ba yan? Even if you know where it is today, will you find it tomorrow? Bukas mo pa daw makikita. Bukas na. Yup. Sapul na tayo dito sa isa. Pasok na to isa. Ito, ano to? Yangan? Oh, Yangan. Hindi. Sige, sige pre, okay lang ako. Baka meron niya sa loob. Minsan ganun eh. Hindi mo alam eh. Ah. Yung shorts to. Nakasapul tayo ng isa. Kala ko Gucci. Gucci pala.
Wait.
You always smoke with me, man.
Alin yan? How much?
Edgar, dale preso ahí.
That was $10. Cheap for you. Cheap for you.
5? Thank you.
Hey, carnal, esto es tuyo, ¿verdad?
Logo 7. Pwede. Magkano yan? Yeah, how much? Oh.
Danny! Papi! ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto?
How much?
Huh?
150, mahal.
For me?
Tayo nga rin pati natin, Edin. Budweiser. Stig. It's nice. Diba? 150 daw. Ganda ng Coca-Cola dun, pare. Kahit mo yung Coca-Cola?
Yeah, sa kanya.
Magkano?
Sa kanya.
Angas naman ng Coca-Cola na yan. Stig naman ito. This yours, bro?
Yeah.
For sale?
Nope. Not yet.
How much you got it, bro?
Huh?
How much?
$10.
10 bucks? Hey,
Pretty
nice.
sick. I'm a Coke fan though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's why I thought.
Nice bag. Let's go. Stig.